Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change or modify the cluster name in Apache Cassandra node. First, let's verify the present cluster name by connecting to Cassandra. See, the present cluster name is test1, or we can get the cluster name from the YAML file, that is cassandra.yaml file. It is there in /etc Cassandra. More, then paste the file name. See here, parameter name is cluster name and its value is test1. So here also it is giving same. So this is the cluster name. Now we are going to change this cluster name to some other one. First connect to Cassandra, then run the following statement. Whatever the commands I am going to execute in this video are available in the video description. Update system.local set cluster underscore name equals to whatever you like. Here I am giving name as EMEA. Then where key equals to, then put the semicolon at the end of the statement. Give the single quotations. It is success. Now exit from Cassandra, then run node tool flash, then give ---- system. There must be a space after --. Now we have to change the cluster name in YAML file. See, we are able to connect, but if we restart, then there will be conflict. See, sudo systemctl restart Cassandra CQLSH. See, we are unable to connect. So we have to change the parameter value in the cassandra.yaml file. Go to cassandra.yaml file location, that is there in etc Cassandra ls. See, this is the file. Before modifying, we must keep backup of this file. So sudo cp if something goes wrong, we can replace this with original file. Let's verify. See, we have created a backup file here. Now sudo vi cassandra.yaml. See, here we have to change. Remove the text. Save the file. Now restart the Cassandra service. Systemctl restart. Sometimes if you give CQLSH, it won't connect. In that case, wait at least 1 or 2 minutes to reflect the changes. See, name got changed and we are able to connect to Cassandra interactive cell. So in this video we have seen how to change the or modify the cluster name in Apache Cassandra. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.